Did you know that over 90% of the digital universe is unexplored? Google's latest AI, Gemini, aims to change that. In a bold move to reclaim its throne in the competitive AI landscape, Google has unveiled Gemini, a groundbreaking AI model set to revolutionize the tech giant's approach to data, creativity, and problem-solving across its vast operations. Let's dive into the unknown and uncover the top 10 secrets about Google Gemini that will redefine what we thought was possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Let's get started. 10. The faked demo video. In an eye-catching demo video, Google showcased what seemed like Gemini's amazing ability to tell stories, interact with images, and even play games. The video presented a duck that transformed from a simple squiggle into a detailed drawing, among other impressive feats. However, this wasn't Gemini spontaneously showing off its skills. In reality, the video was carefully scripted. Google had pre-planned each scene, guiding Gemini with specific text commands and selected pictures to create the appearance of a smart, interactive AI. While it suggested Gemini could perform these tasks in real time, the truth is these were not live responses from Gemini. 9. Gemini AI versus GP4. Google's Gemini AI and OpenAI's GP4 are like two top athletes competing in a race. Imagine you're watching a close match where both are incredibly fast, but in the end, Gemini edges out GP4, winning in most of the games they play. Google shared pictures and papers saying Gemini is the stronger of the two, but when you look closely at the scores, Gemini isn't miles ahead. It's more like just a step or two. They compared them in a lot of different tests, kind of like different sports, and found that Gemini does better in most, but not by a huge amount. It's important to know that while Gemini is ahead right now, the race isn't over. OpenAI is already planning to come back with something even stronger. 8. The three versions of Gemini. Think of Gemini as a superhero with three different suits: Ultra, Pro, and Nano, each designed for special missions. Gemini Ultra is like the heavy-duty armor, built for the toughest tasks and taking on big challenges, aiming to outshine OpenAI's GP4. It's the most powerful version, but right now, only a few lucky testers get to try it out. Then there's Gemini Pro, which is like a versatile suit for everyday heroes. It's for people who need something strong but not top of the line. Lastly, Gemini Nano is like the lightweight, quick suit for on-the-go missions. It's made to work fast on phones and small gadgets, making smart tech even smarter on devices like the Pixel 8 Pro. 7. Gemini's multimodal capabilities. Gemini is like a super student that doesn't just learn from books, but also from pictures, videos, and sounds right from the start. This means Gemini can understand and talk about things in many ways, not just with words. Imagine showing Gemini a photo, and it can tell you a story about it, or playing a song, and Gemini describes the feelings it might evoke. This special training lets Gemini help with different tasks, like answering questions about a picture or giving advice by listening to a voice message. It's like having a friend who's great at everything, whether it's reading, watching movies, looking at art, or listening to music. 6. Efforts to reduce bias. Google is working hard to make sure Gemini Pro is fair and doesn't unfairly judge or stereotype people based on culture or background. Imagine making a robot that's supposed to be everyone's friend, but it ends up liking some people more than others because of where they come from or how they look. This effort is like setting ground rules in a classroom to ensure every student is treated equally and kindly. By focusing on fairness and being aware of the world's diversity, Google aims to make Gemini Pro a helpful AI that can serve and understand a wide range of people and cultures without being biased. 5. Gemini's superior performance. Google has shown that Gemini is like the star athlete of AI, performing better than any AI OpenAI has or plans to have soon. Imagine a school where every student is smart, but then Gemini comes along and scores the highest marks in almost every subject. Google shared results where Gemini beat the competition in a variety of tests, kind of like a decathlon where it's not about being good at just one thing, but many. One big win is in understanding and handling lots of different tasks at once, something called massive multitask language understanding. Here, Gemini didn't just do well, it set new records, scoring over 90% and even doing better than experts in some areas. 4. Paid version of Bard. Google is planning to launch a special paid version of Bard called Bard Advanced. Think of it like a VIP ticket that gets you into the best seats at a concert. This version isn't just any ticket, though. It's your pass to experience the most powerful features of Google's AI thanks to Gemini Ultra. Bard Advanced is for those who want the best of the best in AI capabilities. It's like upgrading from a regular phone to the latest model with all the top features. Google hasn't said how much this VIP ticket will cost yet, but it's clear they're making it for people who really want to maximize what AI can do for them. 3. Gemini powers new coding tool. Google has created a new tool called AlphaCode 2, which is like a supercharged helper for people who write computer programs. This tool isn't just any helper, it's powered by Gemini, making it incredibly smart. Imagine you're trying to solve a really hard puzzle and AlphaCode 2 is your friend who's really good at puzzles and can help you figure it out. This tool is great for coders who compete to solve tricky programming challenges or tackle tough problems in computer science. With AlphaCode 2, it's like having a genius partner who can understand complicated issues and come up with solutions quickly. Whether it's writing new software or figuring out a complex problem, AlphaCode 2 with Gemini's brainpower is designed to make these tasks easier and more efficient. 2. Widespread integration across Google products. Google has big plans to use Gemini, their new AI, in almost everything they do, from the Chrome browser you use to surf the web to the Google search that finds answers for you, and even in the ads you see online. It's like they're giving all their products a super smart upgrade. But that's not all. For businesses that rely on Google Cloud to store their data and run their websites, Gemini is going to be a game changer. Google is introducing something called Cloud TPU v5p, which is a special kind of computer chip designed to make AI like Gemini even smarter and faster. 1. Catalyst for scientific discovery. Google Gemini is like a super smart assistant that can understand and work with many different types of information all at once, such as text, pictures, and sounds. This special skill makes it a great tool for scientists and researchers who are trying to discover new things. For example, in medical research, Gemini can look at lots of health data, pictures of cells, and genetic information to find new clues about diseases. It's like having a detective that can spot patterns and connections that are too complex or hidden for people to see easily. This could lead to finding new ways to diagnose or treat illnesses by identifying markers in the body that we haven't noticed before. As we look ahead, the possibilities with Gemini seem limitless, promising to transform our digital experiences in ways we're just beginning to imagine. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share this video to spread the word. Your thoughts and questions are valuable to us, so please drop a comment below with your views or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates on the cutting edge of technology.